How to book round trip in Uber. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, you can open up your Uber and you have to do the same old process of booking your Uber first and foremost. That is to select your destination by tapping on where to. Now go ahead and enter your destination. Now you can go ahead and adjust the pickup time, that is the date and time as well. Once done, just tap on Set Pickup Time. So here is about booking a round trip. You have to actually contact with your designated driver to wait for a while, and this might take a couple of extra charge as well. However, Uber does not yet support the booking for the round trip. However, you can add multiple stops by tapping on the plus sign icon present at the top. Now you can easily contact with your Uber driver regarding multiple stop or a round trip. You will have to let them know about the wait time, and it will charge you a little for the compensation of the wait. And that is how you will get to book yourself a round trip in your Uber. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.